When I tell y'all, it's always something with this car, bro. It's always something with this car, bro. I don't think it's meant to be at this point. Nah, it's just click, bro. It's click. I ain't gonna. Yo, I need a cut bad, bro. God damn. But it's the following day. My car is down. I believe it's the starter motor. And that shit don't wanna. All I do is when I press run, it just goes click. All the electronics, all the lights come on. But that thing just goes click and it's done. So I'm waiting for my boy to come pick me up. Finna go to AutoZone, get a starter. Finna go to the lot, jack my car up in the lot, and replace the starter motor exactly where it's at, exactly where my car is sitting. So that's the plan for today. Right now, I'm just waiting for my boy to get here. I look homeless, bro. That shit crazy. My ride is here. My homeboy came to pick me up. Starter motor acquired. All right. I thought my lights was gonna flash before my eyes. I ain't gonna lie. I thought we were gonna end up in the ditch.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
You see my black ass underneath the car? Oh, fuck. Where my shit at?
You want me to pass you the phone?
Yeah, over here.
Okay. Yeah, that's a crazy.
Yeah.
That was a crazy. Yeah, there you go.
So this is the starter. I already got one nut, one bolt off. The other one's up here. I already disconnected the negative terminal, so no, I'm not gonna die type shit. And then I gotta disconnect. There's another, I think it's a 13 over there. And I gotta swipe it out through here. So I'm hit y'all when I'm done taking the starter out. Out with the old.
And with the old.
Alright, bitch. God damn, I'm doing this at the parking lot, nigga. They asked me, they was like, they over there, when I first came in, they was like, oh, you're the guy. It's him type shit. And I'm like, oh shit, they know me. And then I was like, they was like, so what you gonna do? They asked me what's wrong with it. I said the starter. I believe it's the starter. And it was like, so what you gonna do? I'm like, I'm gonna fix it right here. Take it home with me. I was like, oh, you gonna do it yourself? Yeah. Man,
Not only you should have paid a shop to do it. You're just gonna fuck it up even more.
Shut up.
I'm a G. I'm a gangster. Word to everything. This is my baby. First, she got a flat tire, got a hole in it. Then she want to leak coolant. Now the starter don't work in the same week. And all I'm trying to do is make you better.
Mind you, she just got out the shop.
You out here looking good, rims all fixed up and everything, looking like a goddamn monster. But then you want to act like a bitch. She on her period.
Can I park over here?
Yeah, you can park over here. Is those forged carbon fiber on the rims?
Yeah.
This is different. He on the trend. I don't even work here, and he asked me, can he park over here? I'm like, oh, yeah. All right, so I got to go underneath the car, put this in, and if the car don't start, I'm selling it. Let me see if this thing starts.
Take up the jack.
No, leave it there. Just in case.
Get in and start?
You have to hold the brake. Oh, wait, you can't start it yet. I didn't connect the battery. Hold on.
Easy to get for that.
Hopefully this shit don't blow up. Oh, shit. Okay, now we're good.
I have to sit down?
I mean, yeah, you have to press the brake pedal.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Please, for the love of God, bro.
Bismillah.
Oh, yeah.
See, hard work does pay off.
You sat in your car and watched TikToks the whole time. What the fuck is you talking about? You couldn't even find the 13M in the damn scan. Bessie, I'm gonna tell you, you gonna get off your period, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, you need to stop.
You call her Betsy?
I call her Bessie. Bro, I'm really like a G at this shit. I never changed the start of my life, and I did it today. I'm built different. Simple. Why are you fingering my damn car? This nigga's fucking weird, bro. I swear.
Nah, this shit started up. You gonna go home, right?
Of course.
They didn't believe in us. God did.